Okay, I'm going to go ahead and work on problems 1 and 2 from problem set 1. And I'm only going to do A, or the first set of data. So there's data sets A through D. I'm going to look at data set A. So the first thing, it says find the mean and then the median. So to find the mean, you add up all of your data. So I would add up these 10 numbers together and divide by the number I have, so divide by 10. So if I add up all these numbers, I get 140, and I have a total of 10 numbers. And so just divide, and I get an average of 14. Now for the median, you have to arrange your numbers in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to go ahead and order them. So I'm going to start with smallest number 7. And then we have a 10. A lot of times I'll cross them off just to make sure I don't leave one out. Then an 11 and 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, and then last we have a 22. So to find the median, you need to start from both ends and work your way till you get to the middle number. So if it helps, you can kind of mark them. So I'm going to look at the 7, 22, and then I'll do the next 18, 10, and keep working my way in. 11, 17, 12, 16, and I get to 13 and 14. And here, when you have an even number of data sets, your median is actually going to be right in the middle of these two. So you need to take the average of 13 and 14, which is 13.5. So this is our median. Two, A says find the lower and upper quartiles. For the lower and upper quartiles, you look at first for the lower quartile, look to the left of the median, and I'm looking for the middle number. So I go across, again doing the same idea, 13 and 7, 12 and 10, and 11 is the middle number. So this is my lower quartile. And I'm going to do the same thing to the right of the median, 14, 22, 16, 18, and then 17 is my middle number. So this is my upper quartile. Okay, so that's 2A. 11 is lower quartile, 17 is upper quartile. I'm now going to do B, which says draw a box plot. And so to draw a box plot, I need to have numbers that go from the least to the greatest, so 7 to 22. So I'm going to go ahead and count. Here's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Just going to label periodically, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And now to make your box plot, you start with your smallest number, that's your first dot, which is a 7. So this is basically the 5-number summary. So I'm going to have, I'll highlight these, the 5 numbers I'm going to need. I'm going to have my lowest number, my lower quartile, I'm going to need my median, my upper quartile, and my largest number. Okay, so let's now go ahead and make this box plot. So I'm going to draw a circle at 7, and then you draw a line till you get to 11, and this is where your box is going to start. So I'll start my box, and I'm going to end my box at my upper quartile. So I'm going to draw that part first. I'm going to go all the way to 17. Just draw the best box you can. And then you have to label your median of 13.5, so halfway in between 13 and 14. And then the line goes all the way to my largest value, which is 22. And there's my box plot.